Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to enable live streaming on your YouTube channel in just few steps. Go to studio.youtube.com here, this one. Sign into your YouTube account. On the left side you will see your dashboard and profile here. Now click settings, then go to here, then settings, then go to settings, go to channel here. Now select feature eligibility, this one. To unlock live streaming, enable intermediate features, this one. Click on it. You will need to verify your phone number. This takes less than a minute. Once verified, click save, this one, and go live. It may take up to 24 hours to activate. After 24 hours, you can enable the live. To go live from mobile, your channel needs at least 50 subscribers. For desktop streaming, no subscriber limit is required. That's it. Go to YouTube Studio, verify your number and wait 24 hours. You will be ready to stream live. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.